What's up, guys? So today we're working on the Bondo Blazer. Just trying to get it running so I can get it backed off the trailer. Tomorrow I've actually got to take this thing and go get parts for it. So yeah, I need the trailer. So far, basically all this thing needed to get running was a battery that wasn't dead, which clearly we don't have that. And some new fuel line and fuel pump because we weren't getting any fuel up to the carburetor. So it now runs and drives after, well, I don't know about driving, it runs. Finally got fuel pumped up to the carburetor. When it's running, you can hear a massive vacuum leak. It sounds terrible, but it should be good enough to get it off of the trailer, assuming the transmission is good. Alright, so we got the trailer hooked up again. Now I'm going on a bit of a road trip today to go get some parts for the Blazer. Picking up a pickup box in Bismarck, and then I'm going on from there, looping around and picking up another, well, you'll see when we get to that point. I do another time lapse of driving across North Dakota, but let's be real, it's all flat and it all looks like this, so just imagine this for probably 8 hours today. All right, what's up, guys? So we are back from the road trip. Did about 500 miles today. A couple different stops to get parts in 2 different places. But yeah, so this is the parts truck that I got. And as you can see, that is not the 67 to 72 truck. It is in fact a 2003 Duramax. Yep. Getting stupid again, and we're doing an LB7 in the 72 Blazer as well. This was not the plan, but this popped up for sale for a pretty reasonable price. He had videos of it running, so hopefully they were actually videos of this truck. It looked like it was, so anyways, that was the second stop of the day. My first stop was to go pick up this pickup box from 68-72 that somebody tried to shorten. It was obviously a long bed beforehand, and they did a very, very bad job, and the body shop that got this in was just gonna scrap it, so they gave it to me for free. And yeah, I'm gonna turn it into patch panels for the quarter panels because I mainly need the arches, and I can make the rest work with what I have from another parts box that's smashed in at the top of the arch. So yeah, that saves me about $1,500 plus whatever freight on quarter panels cost, which I can't imagine is very cheap. So $1,500, $1,800, $2,000, something like that saved going this route. Yeah, it'll probably be a lot more work, but yeah, trying to do this on a budget, guys. And the Duramax are probably gonna ruin that. Yeah, so got the cooler stack in there. Definitely looked like the Beverly Hillbillies running down the road. Yeah. What do you guys think? Is this a dumb idea or a great idea? We're not doing a frame swap this time. I'm gonna leave it on the Blazer chassis. Probably just gonna box the frame, build some engine mounts. Supposedly this transfer case is no good. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's not gonna work with the Blazer anyways unless I change the axle out. But they do make an adapter to run NP205 on the back of the Allison, so I'll probably go that route. Hopefully I can bust open the transfer case, figure out what's wrong with it, do a quick rebuild on it, sell that back to make some money, or yeah, then yeah, part out what I can on this. We'll be taking the Hydro Boost off this again and running it on the Blazer, but I don't know, hopefully I can part out some of this and make some money back on it. So for everybody wondering where I'm at budget-wise on the Blazer so far, we got $2,500 purchase price, $100 battery, puts me at it's $2,600. The fuel pump and fuel lines was $70 so, to get it running, so that's $2670 at that point. This was $2,500, so $5170 now. Plus, I bought a 4-inch lift kit for it because, you know, that's like the main thing. You got to get that first. So, yeah, that was, I got to check again. I think it was $740, $750. So, yeah, I already forgot where we were at. So, we're at like $5,800. Am I doing that right? $5,800, $5,900 so far into this thing. I have a spreadsheet made for this thing, and last night when I was checking it, I still have about $5,000 of budget left after all the stuff that I want to buy. So I don't know, well, of what I figured out last night, there's a bunch of stuff on the list that I don't have prices in there for. And I'm sure there's going to be a lot of expenses for the swap that are not accounted for on there. I plan on doing my own standalone harness for this. Don't feel like paying someone $700 for that, so we're gonna skip out on that. I see it needs, probably gonna need some exhaust manifolds. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, God, gotta hate Minnesota trucks. Especially when they came with Cali emissions, like what the heck. So yeah, we gotta ditch the EGR and stuff on there. And this is different, it looks like, from the other truck. I'm assuming this is the glow plug stuff, but that looks way different than what's on the 67. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for the Bondo Blazer update. If you're still here, let me know in the comments if you think this is a good idea to put a Duramax in this or not.